In this video, we'll teach you how to create and edit a SmartShip account within our own 3 back office using preferred customer option. First thing we're going to do is log into our back office using the web address office.iii.earth. We're going to enter our username and our password, and we're going to select login. On the home page of our back office, you'll see a marketing site. Go ahead and click that. This will open up a brand new site, which is a replicated website. There are 2 options to choose from on this site. Partner with us, which is our business side of 3, and purchase products, which is our retail sales side of 3. Go ahead and select that. On this page, we have 2 options as well, a preferred customer option and a retail customer option. We're going to select the preferred customer option. This begins the process of us inputting in the information into the system, step 1 of 5, where we enter our first name, last name, email address, phone number, country we're from, and check the 2 check marks there, and then we're going to select Join Now. Step 2 of 5 gives us the option to select an introduction product pack or individual items on a one-time purchase order specific to this order. You'll see a back office management fee also there that's been put in my cart automatically by the system. This is the preferred customer fee, annual fee, that gives us access to a back office, a replicated website, as well as wholesale pricing. As you scroll down on this page, you'll see that there are more individual items that you can actually add to this order. Again, these are not mandatory, these are an option, as these are one-time purchase orders specific to this order. Step 3 of 5 is where we're actually creating our SmartShip order. This is where we add our SmartShip items to this specific order, ultimately creating our SmartShip to start from this point on. Notice there's items in my cart already, but these are not the SmartShip items. These are basically the one-time order items that I had been selecting in previous slides. At the bottom of this page is where we'll be able to continue after we've added a couple items to our SmartShip. So I've actually added Vitalite and Revive to my SmartShip. So you see there's 2 totals there. One above refers to the one-time order products that I've been selecting. The total of 128 is the SmartShip order, minus tax and shipping, of course, but that is the order that will be reoccurring every 4 weeks. Step 4 of 5 is our membership information. Most of this information is pre-filled for you already. You can add your birthday and company information if you'd like. If you scroll down a little further, you'll see that your address information was pre-filled as well. Your personal website and login information have not been pre-filled. This is where you'll have to add your username and a password. You'll re-enter that password to make sure it's correct. If you scroll down a little further, this is where we're going to add our payment information. 3 offers multiple different payment methods. Go ahead and select the one that you would like to choose. It defaults on the credit card option, so fill out the information when you're ready to do so. And then if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see that there's terms and agreements. There's 4 check marks. You got to make sure you check all 4 of them. And once we've done that, we'll be able to prove that we're not a robot, and then we'll be able to click submit and move on to our review page. Once the review page opens up, you'll see what appears to be an error. It's really not. It's just the system making your address official by adding 4 digits to the backside of your zip code. This is very normal. Don't be alarmed. If you scroll down to the very bottom of this page and hit submit, you've officially placed the order and officially started your SmartShip. Now, if you want to edit your SmartShip, you will go back to your back office. You will hover over the Orders tab and you'll click the Reoccurring SmartShip option. This will take you to the SmartShip page where it shows you the SmartShips that you've created and the details about the SmartShips you have, and then also the opportunity to edit that SmartShip. So click the Edit button. Once we've done that, you'll see a bunch of different options. You can add more products that are already in your SmartShip order. You can take away products that are in your SmartShip order. You can add more items to your SmartShip order by clicking the link at the bottom left there. The edit button's on the right, the frequency. You can't change the frequency, but you can change the date that the actual shipping goes out with regards to that actual SmartShip order when it starts. The shipping method is not editable now. We just have the one shipping option right now. Currently, there'll be more in the future. And then, of course, your shipping address, you can edit that as well. You can also choose your payment method if it's different than the one you had originally selected for your original SmartShip order. And then once you've checked off all the boxes for the terms and agreements, you hit submit, and that officially makes your SmartShip order corrected or changed. So in the event that you have somebody who's enrolled as a preferred customer, but for whatever reason did not place an order or start a SmartShip, they can do so here where they go back to their back office and hover over the Orders tab and click the Reoccurring SmartShip option. This will take you to what appears to be a blank screen because there's no SmartShips in there yet, but if you look at the bottom right-hand side of the screen, you'll see a plus symbol. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to a page where you can add any of the items you want in your SmartShip. Notice there's no packs available in this because it is just a SmartShip option only. So you add the items that you want to put in this SmartShip and then click Review. This takes you to the page that you've seen before where you'll be able to edit it a little bit more if you need to, choose the payment methods, and obviously check off all the terms and agreements boxes, and then submit. Once you submit, that will place your SmartShip order for the frequency to start the date that you've actually selected it to start for. And that concludes our creation and editing of SmartShip account within our own 3 back office with the preferred customer option.